TBP o sa mga kuan na ginahimo nila tanan, you know, to sa mga emergency kinahanglan dito. And na-brief po na ko siya na about what happened. So,
kabalo na siya, sir.
Kabalo na siya.
yeah. So, yun siya na basta yung sila Sara, si Bulong, si Baste. Do all they can, including the resources na kung sa itinanglan sa mga pang-rescue or what. So,
Sir Bong, I know that you learned about the decision of the court rejecting the motion for interim release. How do you feel about that?
Very disappointed. Actually, I did not mention that to him.
Okay.
Yeah.
Because you're also not allowed to mention it.
He mentioned it.
Oh, okay.
And I said, you know, sorry to you hear about it, but I mean, he's prepared for whatever. But he's okay. He's okay.
That's good, sir.
But Sir Bong, the supporters of the former president remains hopeful because the defense team submitted their appeal to the appeals chamber and we're awaiting for the decision, sir.
Yeah. So, ang pakiusap ko lang, let us continue the move for, you know, bring also pressure to this, that, you know, an 80-year-old man,
Yeah.
you know,
It's not worth to be inside there.
consider his human rights also.
Correct, sir.
Pero sir,
Thank you, Sir
naragin
Bong.
mi sir, we will stay here until ma-release ito.
So, again,
hanggang sa dulo.
again, salamat sa support ninyo. Sige lang, baka dumating din ang panahon na babaliktad.
Yeah.
Well,
Sir Bong, on October 12, nanawagan po si Congressman Barzaga sa lahat ng mga kababayan natin na lumabas at makilahok at pumunta sa iba't ibang lokasyon para ipakita ang dissent nila sa nangyayari sa bansa. What's your message to the Filipino?
Yes, we should now give our best effort to pressure the government, the dark regime. So, yung October 12 na yan, that will be probably the opening salvo. At sana magtuloy-tuloy na yan because, you know, wala na tayong makuha dito sa gobyerno ni BBM. It's either he just graceful exit or whatever. But ang mga tao na ang dapat mag-effort na talaga dyan. You know, it has to end.
Maraming salamat po, Sir Bong.
Okay, maraming.